What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and today's topic is going to be discussing how to create a workout plan. Now, I've been working out for about 2.5, 3 years, and I get a lot of questions like, "Yo, Jamel, I need help working out. What workout should I do? I don't really know how to start in the gym." What's another question I get? How you be so consistent? How you always know what you want to do? And it's just many different questions that revolve how to create this workout plan and how to actually get started in the gym. And my response to this question is always, well, what do you want to work on? What are your goals? So I think the first step in creating a workout plan would be to actually come up with goals. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to work on? What are you lacking in? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? And just basically, what do you want to get out of working out? The cool thing about coming out with a workout plan is everyone doesn't work out the same, and there's not one set way to actually work out. You got upper lower body splits, and then you got days where you just focus on the muscle. You have other times where you combine muscle groups. There's actually more than one way to actually work out. Okay, so step number one is coming up with goals. All right, so for example, I want to get my chest bigger. Let me focus on chest probably 2 to 3 times a week. Or either I want to get faster and stronger. Let me start doing some sprints. Let me start doing explosive workouts. Or either, oh, my arms are lacking, they're kind of small, but my rest of my body is good. Let me get in a few more days of biceps or triceps. It's just setting these goals and then finding a way to achieve these goals. Now, after you set up these goals, is step number two, coming up with ways to achieve these goals. So now it's figuring out how many days a week you're going to work out. What are your off days going to be? What are you going to do for your off days? How are you going to treat your body on your off days so that you're able to recover properly to work out on your next training session? Now, let's say, for example, you're going to work out 5 days a week, take 2 days off, and then just repeat that cycle. Now it's, okay, what am I going to work on throughout these 5 days? Am I going to combine muscles together? Am I going to isolate muscles? Like, how am I going to make this work for me, for my schedule, and basically to become stronger and better than how I am right now? So now, throughout these 5 days, you're going to say, okay, so Monday, I'm going to do chest. Tuesday, I'm going to do shoulders. Wednesday, I'm going to do back. Um, Thursday, I'm going to do arms. Friday, I'm going to do legs. And then Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to rest, recover, and then start back up again on Monday. So after you set these goals, then find a way to achieve these goals, you start setting up your workout plan by coming up with ways and days to work out, and then what are you going to do on those specific days. Now, for example, let's say I was a person and I wanted to work on my chest. One thing that I should not do at all is say, okay, let me work out chest every day. Now, the reason why you don't want to do that is because if you're working out your chest every day, you're constantly tearing the muscles within your chest. If you're constantly tearing them, how are they going to have time to recover and repair? By doing that, you won't see no muscle growth at all. And then you're going to end up looking like Mr. Incredible, big at the top, skinny at the bottom. And it's not going to look right. What I usually do is I do chest, like I said before, Mondays, then I have shoulders on Tuesdays, back on Wednesdays, arms, which is biceps, triceps, on Thursday, and then I have legs on Friday. But instead of me taking the 2 days off, like what a beginner should do so that they're able to recover, since I've been working out for a while, I just jump right back into chest on Saturday and then just continue the cycle. Just continue the cycle. Like I mentioned before, you don't have to just isolate muscle groups to a specific day. You could actually hit more than one muscle on one day if you want to. So like let's say I wanted to do chest more often. I'll actually combine chest and triceps together on a Monday. Then back and biceps on Tuesday, and then shoulders and legs on Wednesday. And then I jump right back into chest and triceps on Thursday. By doing that, I'm able to hit all three big lifts, especially my chest, at least twice a week. Now, looking at ISO days and then combining muscle groups, there's pros and cons. By isolating the muscles into specific days, you're actually able to focus on that muscle more and actually give it a better workout than actually combining muscles in the same day. But when you combine muscles in the same day, being that you're combining them, you have more time to hit them throughout the week, so then you're hitting them twice as much. So you may also see an increase in strength and size as well. So I mean, it really depends on your level of working out, how much stamina, endurance you have, and just Basically, your goals, how fast you want to achieve your goals, and how you set up your workout plan. So now we got through the first two steps: setting a goal, coming up with ways how to achieve the goal, which is setting up the days you're gonna work out. Now it's actually achieving that goal. So now on this chest day or this back day, what workouts I'm gonna do? So for a tip, I'm gonna tell you for chest day, you always want to have bench. That is the main compound lift for your chest. For back days, you want to deadlift. Either sumo, conventional, is up to you. Whatever you're comfortable with. You always want to have that for legs. Some type of squat, barbell squat, back squats, front squats. Those are the three compound lifts that you want to have that will build strength altogether. Now, the reason why they're actually called compound lifts is because when you do bench, you're not just working your chest. You're working your chest, your triceps, your back, your traps. When you do deadlift, you're working your legs, your glutes, your back, your upper body, and when you're doing squats, you're not just working your legs. You're working more than one muscle. Your back as well, your upper back. It's a compound lift, so it has more than one muscle within that one lift. So you want to get those compound lifts in because it'll build overall strength. Chest day, you don't want to just bench and leave the gym. You want to get some ISO movements and some ISO workouts in. So you got incline dumbbell press. You got dumbbell flies. You got push-ups. You got floor presses. You got plate presses. There's just a whole lot of ISO movements you could do to actually work out the muscle besides just doing bench. For your back, same thing. You don't want to just deadlift and then leave the gym and be like, oh yeah, I'm done working out. You got low rows, you got dumbbell rows. It's just a lot you could do. You just gotta search it up. And the best thing to do is, a lot of people also ask me, okay, what's the best back workout? What's the best workout for this muscle? What's the best workout for that muscle? I can't really tell you what's the best workout because I know what works for me. And what works for me may not work for you. So you just gotta do a little bit of research. YouTube is your best friend. Social media is huge. YouTube's your best friend. Search up YouTube, back workouts or leg workouts, chest workouts, and it'll give you a whole bunch of lists of different workouts that you can try and see what works for you. All of them may not work, but I guarantee you some of them will work. I mentioned working out your chest, your back, your arms, your shoulders, your legs, but what I did not mention was core. Core is a workout that if you can and you have the energy to, you should be doing it every day. At least I do core every day and it works out. I'm telling you, the more consistent you are, the better, the faster you see results. If you do core once a week, you'll get results, but it will take way longer than doing it every day. And the trick to working out is don't always do the same workouts because after a certain period of time, if you're doing the same workouts, your body gets used to it. So that's when sets and reps come in. When I talk about sets and reps, it's like, okay, let's say I'm a bench today. I'm going to do 3 sets of 10. So that means I'm going to do 10, take a break, 10, take a break, 10, take a break. After a while of me doing that, it's going to become easy. And then after a while, I'm not going to be building any muscle or tearing the muscle because my body's just so used to it. So that's when I start switching it up and stop doing the same workout altogether. I may start doing 5 sets of 10. Now, the first 3 sets was going to be easy. But the last 2, since my body's not used to it, it's going to hurt. Or either you don't have to add more reps in, you can actually increase the weight. So you increase the weight, you're not going to be hitting as much reps in. The big problem with this is that, okay, people say, all right, today I'm going to do 3 sets of 10. Now, when you do 3 sets of 10, you're actually saving yourself for each set, especially if you get used to it. What you want to do is say, okay, let me actually switch over to failure. So I'm going to do 3 sets to failure. So by doing that, you're not saving yourself. You're going to end up tearing that muscle even more, and it's going to be just better. If you do decide to do sets to failure, the only thing is you may be in the gym a long time because if you do every workout till failure, you will be in the gym a long time. It's just going to take a long time. So, I mean, it's really up to you how much time you have in your hands and how you want to set up your workout. And the last step to this whole setting up a workout process is consistency. You won't see results unless you're being consistent. So, if you do set your mind to something, actually follow that. But give it time. When you first start working out, you're going to see a lot of gains left. Like, you're going to blow up. You're going to get huge. You're going to see a big ass increase in strength. And you're going to be feeling yourself. Then after a while, you're going to hit a wall. It's called the plateau, basically. And that's when you have to start doing things a little bit differently to actually see more growth. So yeah, just to recap, you want to set your goals. You want to set up a plan to achieve these goals. You want to go out and achieve these goals, and you want to be consistent. By doing these simple steps, you'll be fine working out. You'll get to where you want to be in a matter of a couple months and even maybe a couple weeks. It just depends on what you want to do, how far you want to go with it, and how you want to build your body. And for the people that are starting to work out, don't just work out one muscle because you won't look right. Try to get a full body workout in so that your whole body is proportionate. You don't want to look like Mr. Incredible. No. Come on. So if you are starting to work out with somebody else and y'all both started at the same time, just because they're making more progress than you, don't get discouraged because everyone is different. So they may get bigger than you at some point, but then again, you may get stronger than them at some point. So just be patient, work at your own pace, and don't worry about nobody else but you and your goals that you set. No ego lifting. You want to be working out just for you instead of trying to impress other people. Feel me? Now, guys, I want you guys to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. If you have any comments or you want me to do videos on any other type of topic related to anything, it could be anything, just leave a comment in the comment section. Share your friends, and see you guys next video.